Hey YouTube, today I want to show you the top 5 apps that I'm using for my Android phone, which is the Galaxy Note 5. So let's go ahead and get started. The first app is called Greenify, and what this does is it takes all the apps that are running in the background of your phone and that are constantly connected to the internet and using your mobile data. You can put those apps into hibernation mode, and you can save a whole lot of data that way. So for example, let's go ahead and press that plus sign on the top right. It'll go in App Analyzer, and let's select an app. Show more apps. Scroll down. Let's pick this Arcus weather app that I have here. We'll select that and we'll press the green check mark on the bottom right. And now you'll see that Arcus is under pending manual hibernation. We'll go ahead and select that and press the sleep button on the bottom right, and the phone it'll do its thing, and as you saw there, it force-stopped it, and now it's put in hibernation mode and no longer running in the background and constantly eating at my mobile data. Okay, now the next app I'm going to show you is for music. It's called MDPlayer. It's just a very simple music player. I know there are a whole lot of music players out there, but this is probably one of my favorites. Just very easy, very clean. You can easily create playlists on here, and if you've ever used Android file transfer, and you're familiar with just dragging and dropping your music into your music folder or creating subfolders and creating the playlists, this app just works very well with that. It'll just pick up all the music that's on your phone and all the playlists that you've created, and it'll just show you here in a very clean way. You go back to your music library, all music, and it's just very easy to navigate. I definitely recommend you guys checking it out. The next app is called ColorNote, and I use this for just about everything. You can create to-do lists, things that you have to get done, or just any notes that you have. You can put it all over here. So for example, we can create a list here. We can call it checklist, and we're gonna call this video games to buy. Okay, I'm really excited for a few video games. So I'm gonna put down that I have to go and get FIFA 17 later in September. I know it's a far time from now, but it's gonna be awesome. FIFA 17, probably Mirror's Edge. I have to go check that out for my PlayStation. Mirror's Edge Catalyst. I haven't heard too many good reviews about it, but still gonna check it out. And let's see, Gran Turismo. We gotta check when that comes out. Stupid autocorrect, come on. Okay, so these are the 3 games that we're gonna go by, and I can change the color of this note. Haha, color note, get it? So we're gonna go with my favorite color. It's green. Press the check mark, and now you see that video games, the color note, the sticky note is right there. We can go into it and we can cross off the game that we've gotten. Go back. It's very easy, very fun to use. It's a very quick way to put get all your thoughts together, or your to-do list and your notes that you want to write down. It's a very quick way of doing it. The next app is called Llama, and what this allows you to do is it analyzes the certain areas that you're in. So right now I'm at home, and so it can learn your area, and it'll pick up all the cell towers that are around you. And so I have one for home and one for work. So it knows when I get home to trigger my profile called normal. And in normal, I have set things like put the volume to a certain, just the volume to a certain amount. I have a whole other things. Turn off the Wi-Fi, and it's just a great app to, turn off my Wi-Fi, turns off my Bluetooth when I leave my house. When I get home, it turns it on. When I get to work, it puts my phone in silent mode. It'll turn off the Wi-Fi, turn on, and Bluetooth will be off, and I'll be saving a whole lot of battery that way. Now the next app is called AllinOne Gestures, and instead of using the the home button on your phone or the back button or the show all apps button, you can configure certain spots on your phone that you can swipe from to do certain things. So for example, I have the top area. If I swipe from the top to the bottom, and you guys won't be able to see my phone obviously, but if I swipe from the top to the bottom, it'll turn the screen off. If I swipe from the right side, the right area, it'll expose all the apps, and I can try showing you on here on the computer. So if I swipe like that, see, it'll show you all the recent apps, and then I can just quickly switch without ever going down and reaching all the way down and pressing the show all apps. Also from the bottom area, if I swipe up, it'll return home. And you can also configure hotspots. So for example, I have the upper right area as MDPlayer, you see right there, and if I swipe from the top right in a directional way down, it'll go into MDPlayer really quick. See, very easy. And then I can swipe from the right, and then I can go back into AllinOne Gestures, and then I can swipe from the bottom up, and it'll go home. So these are the top 5 apps that I recommend you guys check out. Again, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, or just leave a comment below, put a like. I'd appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks guys.